In the last video, which you can find above, we saw what happens in the first trimester of pregnancy, i.e. from the 1st to the 12th week. In this video instead, we are going to see what happens in the second trimester of pregnancy, 4th month, 13th week. You may feel some abdominal pain as the ligaments are stretching, allowing the uterus to grow. 14th and 15th week. Your belly may also start showing to other people, who may then notice that you are pregnant. If you still don't see it, no problem. Each pregnancy is different from the others. 16th week. Dark-colored spots may appear, mainly on the face, and is called closma gravidarum or pregnancy mask. The spots can also occur on other parts of the body more exposed to the sun, such as the arms. 5th month, 17th week. You may experience chronic pain in the sciatic nerve due to the pressure of the uterus and the growth of the baby. This leads you to arch your back and keep your shoulders back. It is precisely lumboscytalgia. 18th week. Your baby bump is very noticeable. It might start in the first baby movements either, but it doesn't happen to all women. It all depends on the position of the fetus in the uterus. On the other hand, women who may have already had another pregnancy often recognize them earlier. 19th week. Your blood pressure increases and you may experience sudden changes in temperature, and then hot flashes and sweating. Migraine is also one of the most common symptoms. 20th week. Compared to the first week, the uterus is 3 times larger and has reached the level of the navel. The size of the baby can cause breathing problems and digestive problems. You may struggle to breathe and have what is called air hunger. 6th month, 21st week. You may notice a yellowish fluid leaking from your breasts this week or later. It is colostrum or first milk. It is rich in proteins and minerals and is the first nutrient for your baby as soon as it is born. 22nd week. The breast continues to enlarge and the navel begins to protrude outward. You may feel itchy around the breasts and feel fetal sobbing. They are small sobs that indicate that the fetus is beginning to practice breathing and to develop the diaphragm. 23rd week. Braxton Hicks contractions can be more intense this week. They are non-rhythmic spasms of the uterine muscles, thanks to which the uterus trains and prepares for birth. They are therefore false contractions of labor. 24th week. Your eyes have become more sensitive to light and become irritated more easily. Swollen eyelids and dry eyes are other symptoms you may experience. You may also notice an increase in fetal movements. The child may calm down if he hears relaxing music or become more active with loud noises. In the next video, we will go to see what happens in the last trimester of pregnancy.